A lot of HeatSpring customers are residential solar companies that are looking to diversify their business lines. So if they want to get into building performance, what are the specific products or services that are the gateway products that they can start offering their customers to really start to sell this stuff to prove there's demand for this type of work?
Yeah, I think it's a really big market opportunity for solar companies, especially in a saturated market where companies are really looking to diversify and stand out from the sales organizations that just sell solar and maybe don't have as much of a customer kind of end outcome at stake. So to get really specific, there's an interaction between what solar basically solves, right? So solar is providing energy. What's using energy that the solar needs to provide energy for are the loads inside the home, things like the heating and cooling system. And when you impact the heating and cooling load, how much energy it uses, and you do that through energy efficiency and building performance upgrades, you're able to have this kind of holistic ability to ramp up and down the solar system size, manage the battery size. It's just a holistic approach. So if I was a solar company and I was like, I really want to become more of a whole home energy company, I might start with something as simple as an energy audit. An energy audit is the process of going into a home and looking at really what's happening in the home. What are the systems inside of the home? What is the building envelope look like? Where are the deficiencies in the building envelope? Where are opportunities for air sealing the home? Whether or not you deliver those services, it can be an initial kind of assessment of where that home is at and where the biggest opportunities are. And so it'd be a major add-on, high value service. And if somebody gets an energy audit and a report from an energy audit, and then they're given a solar proposal, and another company just gives a solar proposal, it's going to feel much more comprehensive from the company that did the energy audit. So I would say one of the best places to start for a solar company would be to integrate some kind of energy audit or energy assessment step in the first process so that they're not just going in and trying to sell something. They're actually really taking the time to understand what's happening in that home so that when they make recommendations, their solution can be more holistic and not just kind of like, when you're a hammer, everything looks like a nail. When you're a solar company, everything looks like a roof to put solar on. Sure, those are still really valuable solutions and make an enormous difference for a lot of families, but their energy use is more than just providing cleaner energy. It's about how comfortable their home is in the winter and the summer. It's about what appliances can they get off natural gas or propane and change to electric so they even have less of a cost stack once they go solar. So there's a lot of approaches, but I would say the first best place to start would be an energy audit, in my opinion.